In this video, I wanted to share with you something that I had learned from an Edison Computech teacher on how he had dealt with collecting various Google forms and Google presentations from his over 200 students that he had in his classes. And in incorporating it in my classes last year, I felt it really helped me deal with the numbers of assignments that I would get in, which would be, somewhere around 100 or so in having over 200 students. So in this video, I'm just going to be going through this short little bundle that I've shared with each of you using a Google form to collect Google assignments. Number one is going to be this video that I'm talking through right now in case any of you want to rewatch it. But I'm going to go down to step number 2 of where this Google form is really helpful to me as a teacher. So on a Google assignment, one of the last directions that the kids see in a My Big Campus bundle or on a website is something like this. It's an example. When you're ready to turn in your Google presentation or Google document, etc., click on the link below. By completing the Google form, you'll see you're turning in your computer assignment. So they'll click on it and they see this here. And they simply, put in their period, their last name, their first name, their partner's first and last name. But the key part here is step number 5, where it talks about copying and pasting the link to the assignment. And so on this sample assignment, Jane Doe and Ramon Diaz's, the part that they are needing for doing question number 5 on the form is this part up here at the top, which is the unique internet address to their assignment. And so they just highlight it like I've done here, then right click and copy it, and then they go to their turn-in form and then they paste it here. Right click, paste it, and then when they hit submit, me, the teacher, I get, along with their assignments, I get all the other students' assignments as they turn them in. And when I get them in, they're going to be mixed up. Some second period students turned it in one day, some fourth period students. But in this spreadsheet version of the Google form, I can sort it by period number. I could sort it by their last names. But here's question number 5, and this is kind of my favorite part of the collection form, is as each group turns in that form, then at my leisure, I can just click on their link, which is here. It takes me right to their assignment. I can grade it, and what I do is I like color coding mine because I don't feel like grading all of them at once, and so I'll just grade a few and then I'll highlight them where with mine I do green if everything is turned in. I might do a yellow if they have their computer assignment in, but there might have been other portions of the project that they needed to turn in. Now if you are interested in using the form, that's the last part of that bundle. Here's the collection form template. When you see it's the spreadsheet version, but then before you do anything, please make a copy of it. That way it becomes yours. If you don't make a copy of it, any changes that you make in this will show up in all the other science teachers' versions. So make a copy. But this Google form looks like this, the spreadsheet version. If you go here to form, there's the live form, which is what the students see. And then the other version is the form that you want to edit, which you can make your own changes to it. Maybe with your name, you might want to change the questions or change the period numbers because your periods are going to be different than mine. Okay, and another key thing to remember here is make sure that you make a different form for each assignment. So last year we did like 3 slideshows in one Google document. So I had a slideshow collection form, I had the microscope slideshow collection form, so I had a different collection form for each assignment. So that's key in having, because if you use the same collection form, then all of the assignments will show up and pile up on top of each other on the one form. And if there are any questions, feel free to ask. And again, our staff, we're good at helping each other. So if you're going to try it, good luck.